Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Samsung Galaxy A35. And guys, this is a new upper mid-range phone from Samsung, and this phone is costing around only 1,15,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have a 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM, and the color I have is the awesome lemon color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, I would say. Yes, this phone is manufactured in Pakistan. So again, here is a slim box. We don't have any charger with the Galaxy A35 inside the box. On the back we have no specification about the phone. So in this video we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A35. Now let's see what the Samsung has to offer in this phone. Now let's quickly remove the plastic with my knife, and now let's remove the plastic. And you can see here is the Galaxy A35 on the front. We can see the design language of the A35 looks very similar to the last year A34, I would say. Now let's open this box. Guys, here is our Samsung Galaxy A35 in the lemon color. Now let's start the phone from this wrapper. And guys, you can see here is the lemon color looks like. On the back we have a glossy finish. Although the back is made up of plastic, and the frame also it is made up of plastic, and the frame it is almost half completely flat and half it is slightly rounded around the volume rockers. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera. Anyways, and now let's quickly boot this phone up. We don't have any screen protector. And guys, now let's see what else we get other than the phone. The first thing, we have a semi-eject tool, and also inside this mini box I would say we have a quick start guide as well as a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So again, we don't get any charger. 835 is support maximum only 25 watt. So now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as another microphone. This one has two microphones on the bottom. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have our SIM tray. It's a hyper SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we have a rubber gasket because the Samsung A35 also has a IP67 water and dust resistance. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button. The frame has a different look, I would say, as compared to the A34. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro with LED flash. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a beautiful 6.6 inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top and the bottom chin. Even the side bezels, it is really big on this phone. We should have a more slimmer bezels, I would say, on this phone. Now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Samsung A35. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, we have a gorgeous Super AMOLED display. And now let's see the max brightness. So you can see the display looks really bright on this phone. Here is the notification panel looks like. We also have an NFC. And now let's go to the settings. Now let's go about phone and software information. And this phone is running on Android 14 with Samsung One UI 6.1 right out of the box. And Samsung will support this phone up to 4 years. We have Android 15, 16, 17 and 18, as well as 5 years of security updates, which is a good thing. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So you can see in the fingerprint scanner it is again not the fastest, but it works absolutely fine. Also we have a 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 238 GB it is available for you guys. And also this phone is powered by Samsung Exynos 1380 SoC, which is based on 4 nanometer architecture, and the performance I would say it is really decent, I would say, in this price range. Not the best, because in this price range we also have Dimensity 7200 Ultra SoC, which is more powerful as compared to the Exynos 1380. Now also look at the camera, and this phone has a triple cameras on the back. OIS main camera looks like, and here's your 8 megapixel ultra wide, and here's the portrait mode, and here's the video mode. Let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p 60 fps. Yes, it is. And we also have a ultra steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. In the mode section, we have pro mode, we also have pro video mode, night mode also available with all the lenses, and we also have a macro mode which uses a 5 megapixel macro lens on the back. And also we have a super slow motion as well as a slow motion. We also have a single take feature on this phone, and also get the front facing camera, and this phone only has a 13 megapixel selfie camera, which is a really disappointing thing. So the front facing camera, it is, I would say, really weak on this phone. I see a lot of noise with the front facing camera. So here's the portrait mode, and here's the video mode. Let's see video recording size. And the front camera also shoot only 4K at 30 fps. The 1080p 60 fps, it is not available with the front facing camera. And the night mode, it is also available with the front facing camera. The slow motion, it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 25 watt super fast charging support. Again, no charger in the box, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Galaxy A35. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.